Welcome back to the House Extra. Today we all have our new blue hammer. We're going head to head 1v1v1. We got 10 push-ups on the line and 20 push-ups on the line for the third placer, AKA the loser. And yeah, drop down below in the comments who you think is gonna win, me, Braden, TJ. You can follow them on their YouTube channels, but we'll talk about that later. Do you guys wanna throw a wager on this? Push-ups, are push-ups more reasonable for you? How about 10 push-ups at the foul line?
10 push-ups at the foul line?
The second your game is done. Sure. Just for a full embarrassment.
Second place does 10.
Third place does 20. Okay.
I can't do 20 straight, but...
I don't know if I can do 20 straight either, to be honest. I've been lacking.
We're going to learn today. We're going to see
do
today.
5, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, 1.
All I hear from this is don't lose. Now I'm trying. Now that there's push-ups on the line, full effort. Now that I've seen your guys' reaction. TJ.
The rock shots in play today, baby.
I feel like this is more of a battle between me and you than it is him. I mean, TJ secured first place before the video started.
They say bet with what you have, and I have about 8 push-ups.
Hook.
Problem is he's got the left side to himself.
Zaddy. Well, that's when hooks last. Just remember, you didn't bowl over there.
Okay. Oh, that's so bad.
All right. So maybe it's still hooks. Okay, maybe it's still hooks. We're bowling on the 41-foot North Rock, China. As you guys can tell down there, it says TJ's last name on the building, so we're in trouble. Oh yeah.
That is so bad.
Yeah, you guys can throw this any way you want. You can throw it two-handed, one-handed, lefty, righty, doesn't matter. Oh, chance for a YouTube highlight here.
If he makes it, I'm gonna be like shaking. You know what I'm saying? Like.
I'm at the right place for it.
Oh, this is the right place.
This is the right place for this.
Now, because you throw it so hard, do you qualify that as a miss on the 710?
I do. Especially in this building, I do.
Oh my God.
Christ.
Everyone in the comment section, why is he throwing it everywhere?
Thank you, sir. Got me.
As you can see, guys, this is Halloween, and Braden did dress up as a sprinkler system. Mix them up.
This thing kind of does remind me of like water.
It does. It does
Okay,
kind
the
of
way you
like
looked
that.
at me after I said that. Fine that you felt obligated to like entertain me a little bit. But
Water? I guess, yeah.
it's blue.
It is blue, and it is like a water blue. Just thinking about the fact that we have 11 of the first 12, and TJ's miss was a 710.
My bad.
So.
Oh my.
He can throw it anywhere. Not my best. Not my best.
You just gotta throw it worse.
Apparently. It can't be partially broken, it has to be fully broken.
You can't throw it okay, you gotta throw it either bad or good.
I would agree to that.
Yeah.
If you throw it okay, you're more likely to miss on a house shot than if you just throw it f***ing everywhere.
Right, exactly.
Says he has the worst ball reaction of the bunch.
That's crazy.
Gotta move a little bit left. Shatter. So we got mid-game
Slow
update.
comeback here.
Braden's got 300, Packy's got 279, TJ's got 246. These are maximums. I always have a hard time with that, you know, like when they say you're ahead or you're behind, like sometimes it doesn't quite add up, you know what I'm saying? I always look at the maximum.
Why would I purposely not strike?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah, you're gonna try to strike, so. I do this thing where I like I just like scoot a little bit just for funsies.
I'm here. I'm just letting you know I'm here.
I'm here. I'm here.
He's also here. Do you have a problem at bowling alleys where all of the boards are the same color?
Yes.
Hate that.
I'm not a lane person, and everyone in the comments is gonna be like, oh my God, I can't believe he doesn't know his lane surfaces. You know those lanes that like, there's like a light board from like 9 to like 11?
The HPL,
Love
it's like,
those.
it's a clump. It comes in sets of like 3s and 2s.
Love those, because then if it's like challenge pattern, that's where I can hit. If I hit that down lane, I strike. Every time.
Regardless of the pattern. if it says Kegel challenge, the 3 light boards down lane.
I'm just saying, that's actually a tip for everyone back at home.
Yeah, for all of you guys looking for a tip, hit the light boards down lane. And if you guys want to see more from the new Blue Hammer, we just came out with a hooking versus straight, pin up versus pin down Blue Hammer review that you can check out on the house's main channel right up here. So go ahead, click that link, and head on over to the main channel for more Blue Hammer content.
Oh.
Can't believe that straight.
Unbelievable.
Well, I accidentally moved right on my last
I don't want
shot,
to hear it.
so
Nope, I don't want to hear it.
that's why we moved back.
Tell there.
Oh my.
No,
Ain't no way.
slid out the heel. I would have fallen face first if that happened to me. Oh.
Unbelievable.
That's crazy. The 5-pin forward.
Like, I'm bowling a good game. I don't know if I can beat 300. You know what I'm saying? Good luck on this next frame.
Well, I don't know when the last time I sent a 5-pin forward was.
Any other time it'd be a good game.
Yeah, I still think it's a good game.
Everyone back home is gonna get themselves a Blue Hammer.
Basically, if you're not to a professional level of accuracy, this ball will be good for you.
That's why we brought me. You were like, I want to grab someone who's gonna throw it everywhere and make this ball look like it's gonna strike no matter what you do, which it does. It literally is doing that currently.
8 here would be tough, though. I'm just saying.
I will say, out of the 3 of us, his look was the worst, and then now it is the.
Dude, bro, it was not good before.
I thought it was the worst.
I thought it was the worst. I will say the 710 really wasn't on me, you know, just a hair fast.
Just a little fast. Yeah, but you don't want the ones that are a little fast at 710.
Yeah, the wrong part of the league.
I can't believe I'm going to shoot 270 and 10 push-ups.
I said I can afford 8 push-ups.
Good news for you, you afforded 0. You spent 0. You had 8 in your pocket, you spent 0.
We don't know that yet.
That right gutter's looking nice.
If we get it past the first 15 feet, we're fine. That's foul.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah. You can't say stuff like that.
Can't believe I just lost from 279.
Still have a chance for 8.
TJ needs to keep it on the lane for 8.
That's crazy.
If he makes a spare, we have 800. We did just talk right before this video about how many 800s have been shot with this ball. Does this count as one?
Ladies and gentlemen.
This is the first YouTube 300 with that ball, I'm just letting you know. A lot of pressure.
That is actually so much pressure.
And you can follow him on Out of the Cut Bowling on YouTube if you want to go subscribe to his channel. For 300! Oh! That was pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie.
If you've ever wanted to know how much I hate exercise, that's how much.
That was sick. I owe 10 push-ups. Wow.
You can throw them any which way this ball strikes.
That is crazy.
And we're about to pop 820. It's like,
Oh, he's doing it with the hands.
wow.
Oh my God. Good game, sir.
That was a good game. Oh,
What is the highest game that is lost on this channel? It's gotta be 279. No?
It's gotta be. Yeah. Shmoney.
So is that the first 300 for like a ball thing?
That's the first 300 anybody has shot against me. We shot 825. Yeah. Missed the pocket once and struck every shot but 2 that missed the pocket. I guess that ball is the house shot king. I've seen like 4 or 5 850s with that ball, and we shot 820, the 3 of us. I guess you know what we're throwing in the league on Tuesday night.
This would be first ball out the bag.
All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. You can follow TJ Thick and Stick on YouTube. You can follow Braden Out of the Cut Bowling on YouTube. And you can follow us here at the House Extras or on the House main channel. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you like this video, don't be afraid. Click that subscribe button and follow these boys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.